Hey traders, welcome back. In this video I'm going to analyze the Bitcoin chart on 8th of April and see what's happening right now. Then I'm going to show you the positions I made yesterday on 7th of April. But before we start the video, I want you to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It's some clicks for you, but it really helps me. Thank you, and let's start. As I told you in my previous analysis, I told you that we have a trend line here. Okay, you can see the touches, 1, 2, 3 touches, 4, 5 touches here, also another touch here, and it is broken right now. We have the chance to enter buy position somewhere here and put our stop loss wherever we like. I do enter here, put my stop loss somewhere here, and look for my risk to reward too. And right now we have to wait for the price and see what's gonna happen next. In bigger time frames, it is actually 1 hour time frame. In bigger time frames, like 4 hour time frame, the candle is also closed right now. You can see that. It means we can risk on it because it has been broken in the 4 hour time frame too. But in the daily time frame, let's see what's happening. You can see lots of rejections here, okay, in the daily time frame from this resistance line, resistance area in the bigger time frame, weekly time frame, okay, and we can imagine some sort of a trend line like this one too. Here we have the trend line broken to the upside in the hourly time frame, okay, 1 hour time frame. And also we have another trend line in the daily time frame. We can have sell positions if we see some candles out of this trend line, okay. If we can see the body of that candle out of this trend line to the downside, we can have a sell position here too. And also we have this really strong resistance here in the weekly time frame. If we check that, I showed you in my previous analysis. If the internet opens that, yeah, we have this actually support area, which is a resistance right now for the price. In the lower time frame, you can see the dodgy candles right now, okay. After a day and 2 hours, we're gonna see this candle closed like this one, 3 dodgy candles in a row. And this is actually weird, showing the weakness of the price, and we might have some sort of downward movements. In the hour time frame, 1 hour time frame, yeah, we have this one broken to the upside. We can enter here, put our stop loss somewhere safe, and get our reward. In the daily time frame, we do have this trend line. If we see a break out of that, we can have some sell positions. Okay, thank you guys for watching this part. Let's move to the next part, which I'm gonna show you the positions I made yesterday. Watch that that part until the end, because it helps you to actually trade in the real market better and make money with them. Welcome back. As you can see here, we are on the Bitcoin chart 5-minute time frame, and it is 7th of April. Then I'm gonna show you 5 profitable positions I made on this day. On the first position, we did have this trend line with 1, 2, 3 touches. On the fourth time, it was broken somewhere here. We could risk on it and enter sell position, put our stop loss somewhere safe, and it gave me the reward, risk to reward 5 somewhere here. On the second position, we did have this trend line with 2 touches, and it is broken here. We could enter here, put our stop loss up of the candle or somewhere safer, and it gave me a reward somewhere around 2 and even more by that shadow. And it is 5-minute time frame. It means you have actually some minutes left to decide on your to close your position or whatever like that somewhere here. On the third position, we did have this trend line with 3 touches, and the fourth one was broken somewhere here or even here. no difference. You can enter here, you can enter here. I did enter here, and I did put my stop loss somewhere safe, like here, and it gave me a reward 2.6 on these shadows here. On the trade 4, we did have this support area. You can see that some rejections from here by these shadows, and the price started going up, and in the future the price reacts to that level and makes a pin bar like this one, a really beautiful pin bar. We can enter on the close of the candle somewhere here, put our stop loss below the candle, and it gives us a reward of something around 3.3 somewhere here. On the last position, which didn't give us our full target risk reward too, we did have this trend line with 2 touches. It was broken somewhere here. We could enter here, put our stop loss above the candle, or somewhere safer here, or even very safe here, and it gave me a reward of 1.7. because I do risk free my positions on RR1 when the price gives me the risk reward 1 somewhere here. I do risk free my position. I do put my stop loss in my entry point. Okay, in that case I don't lose any money if the price actually returns. And yeah, the thing happened was that my stop loss activated with no loss, money loss, and the position ended up in no winning, no losing. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.